Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how you can use the sport mode in your Porsche Cayenne or your Porsche Macan or Panamera 911, 718, Boxster or Cayman. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. The tutorial is gonna work for almost every model of Porsche. So if you have a recent model of any Porsche, you can switch the mode just by going to your steering wheel. And then as you can see guys here in the bottom right, you're going to find drive mode. So this is a button. If you press the button, as you can see guys, you're going to find this message that's saying sport response. And you can switch the mode if you want from the wheel right here. Just switch it, move it to the right or to the left, and you're going to find all of the modes right here. There's the off-road mode, hybrid, sports, and lastly the sports plus mode. So just choose your mode and then release this button, and all of your changes will be saved, and you're going to be able to switch to the sports mode very easily in your Porsche. So thank you guys for watching, and see you guys in the next video.